Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the file manager, then you have to, when you're in the starting point of this file manager, you go to this section with this folder, then you go to SD card, scroll down a bit and select format SD card and then confirm it. And after a few seconds, SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.